Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to make ecliptic circle. The Sun traverses through 12 constellations during its annual motion between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. These 12 constellations divide the ecliptic into 12 equal parts of 30 degrees each. Projection of the ecliptic is same as that of the climate circles. Draw a circle of the equator of radius r. Draw a line segment from the center C of the circle to the circumference at a point T at an angle of 23.5 degrees with the equatorial line. From the south S, extend the line segment to the point T intersecting the equatorial line at point U. CU is a part of the diameter of ecliptic from center C to the Tropic of Cancer. Now, draw a line segment from the center C of the circle to the circumference at point F, making an angle 23.5 degrees with the equatorial line. From the south S, extend a line segment passing through point F to point G on the equatorial line. Line segment CG obtained is the part of the diameter of the circle of an ecliptic from the center C to the Tropic of Capricorn. The line segment UG is the diameter of the ecliptic circle. Draw a circle of diameter UG. Now let's find the mathematical formula. Formula to find the diameter of the ecliptic circle is same as the formula to find the radius of the circle of the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Please refer to the video on climate circles. The diameter of the circle of an ecliptic UG is equal to radius of the circle of the Tropic of Cancer CU plus radius of the circle of the Tropic of Capricorn CG, which is equal to R into 10 90 minus 23.5 divided by 2 plus R into 10 90 plus 23.5 divided by 2. Rearranging the formula, R into 10 90 minus 23.5 divided by 2 plus 10 90 plus 23.5 divided by 2. Find out the diameter of the ecliptic circle using this formula. Draw a circle of diameter UG. In the next video, I will show how to project stars and measure objects on the celestial sphere.